Joe can see you.
Why me?
So, because it's a competition.
Oh! I see.
Okay.
Got it.
I got one too.
Oh yeah, you're fudge. Okay, I'll go
Got
first.
it.
Oh, they're massive! Fluffy bodies, they are fucking, look at that beast!
What?
Right.
Bigger than my eyes.
Fluffy bunnies.
You can't chew it.
You're already failing!
You can't chew it.
bunnies.
Yeah, you can't chew it. You can't chew it, it has to stay in your mouth.
Fluffy bunnies.
Come on, hamster girl.
Fluffy bunnies! This hurt.
Fluffy bunnies.
I'm so winning.
You are.
Fluffy bunnies! I have sensitive teeth!
Say that again.
I have sensitive teeth!
Are you guys chewing these?
Fluffy bunnies.
I'm so winning!
Fuck you.
Fluffy bunnies!
Come on, Mort. At your school, you probably had a lot more practice doing a lot worse than this.
Maybe!
Fluffy bunnies.
Oh God, you're so failing. Go on, your turn.
Fluffy bunnies!
What?
Fluffy bunnies!
Ah, there you go. Mort. Go on, Mort. You're chewing. More fails. More losers. Come on.
Fluffy bunnies.
What? Go on.
I
I swear you guys are chewing these, but fair enough. They're playing fluffy bunnies. Go on, Alex. What?
I'm dreaming. Fluffy bunnies.
You're chewing them.
Fluffy bunnies.
Okay. That looks chewed.
You look chewed. Fuck you.
He really chewed.
Fluffy bunnies.
What?
I go off and
Oh no! More losers, more fails, more game up. And they both. So Alex won that one, huh?
The penguin.